Coming off of the lows in this session, but still down about 2% after the company announced a $5 billion share offering. Inez Ferre is tracking that, as well as the EV space for us today. Inez.
Hey everyone, my name is Joel Fernandez and welcome back to Jojo Vents. Today I'm going to discuss a clip that was on Yahoo Finance. And the clip is discussing Tesla shares falling after their $5 billion stock offering announcement.
And Akiko, Tesla, which just yesterday had hit new highs and had surpassed the $600 billion market cap level, today down 2%, as you mentioned, after announcing it's offering $5 billion in additional stock. This is the second offering in 3 months for the company.
A stock offering would basically mean the dilution of shares that are currently on the market. When a company does a stock offering, it usually boils down to one very particular thing, and that is to raise capital. This is the second time this year that Tesla has offered their $5 billion stock offering. The first time was around early July, and when they offered it, it fell by around $200. It led many of the traditional analysts to believe that because of the dilution, that the price of the shares would go down. At that time, a lot of the institutional investors unloaded their stock, which resulted in the share price falling. However, due to Tesla's inclusion into the S&P 500 later this year, while people were selling off, which dropped the stock value, a lot of people were also buying, which has helped to maintain and stabilize the stock price where it is today. It's not going to be surprising if the stock price goes up and down and is a little volatile, but it's not going to drop as much as it did back in July.
It has a lot of developments going on. It has a gigafactory in Germany that it's making. It's got the gigafactory in Texas that it's building as well.
Now let's go into what this $5 billion stock offering means for Tesla. Elon Musk, in an online interview with the Wall Street Journal, was asked this specific question as to why now? Why did Tesla want to suddenly offer another $5 billion in shares offering? Elon goes on to respond saying that the company felt it was the best time, looking at the recent run-up of the stock, to make the stock offering. For Tesla as a company, what that does is it increases their coffers by another $5 billion, and this can go to capital-intensive activities such as the further construction of the gigafactories, would allow Tesla to reduce their debt. By giving Tesla this freedom to make those investments, it will absolutely allow them to speed up their current timeline. And at the moment, with all these other competitors coming up in this EV space, speed is the most important thing right now. And Tesla is not shy about that.
Taking a look at the EV space overall, though, I just want to show you what's happening with QuantumScape. Now, this is a company which went public last month, actually, and this was through a reverse merger with a SPAC. This company makes solid-state batteries.
What Elon Musk and Tesla as a company has been able to achieve in the EV space is to bring awareness that there is a demand and people are willing to pay for it. And it is my speculation that in the future we are going to have an EV bubble. So if you are out there and you're planning on getting into the EV market right now, because it is hot, be very careful. However, it is too soon to tell. Just keep in mind that anything I do say on this channel is for entertainment purposes and is not financial advice. With that being said, this is my prediction as to what had happened, the dot-com bubble. Right now, Tesla is taking advantage of that hype train. It is a great opportunity for them to do that $5 billion stock offering.
And then just looking at some of the other tickers, some of the Chinese electric vehicle makers like Li Auto up 7% today, NIO up more than 2%. You've also got XPeng up around 2%. This is on news on some data, some positive data from China for Chinese electric vehicle sales for the month of November. Akiko.
With companies such as QuantumScape with their battery innovation on the horizon, and with the recent deflating of Nikola, investors should be very wary at this stage, since a lot of these companies are running off Tesla's hype train and the opportunity that they have created and generated for the EV space as a whole. There's absolutely no doubt in my mind that great companies are going to come out of this. I am excited for the future and I can't wait to see what's going to happen. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and hit the bell button to be notified when I post another one. With that, I'll see you in the next video.